Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Brex card setup for ads and inventory spend, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Brex website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Fill out the necessary information for your business account. Verify your email address through the confirmation email sent by Brex. Log into your new Brex account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards section in the dashboard. Click on Request a Card to begin the setup process. Select the type of card you need for ads and inventory spend. Fill in the required details, such as cardholder name and spending limits. Review the terms and conditions, then click Agree to proceed. After your card is approved, it will be shipped to your business address. Once you receive your physical Brex card, activate it through your account. Go back to the Cards section and click on Manage Cards. Here, you can customize your card settings and allocate budgets. Set up virtual cards if you prefer to manage online ad spending. Navigate to the Integrations tab to link your advertising accounts. Choose the platforms you will be using, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Follow the prompts to connect your Brex card to each platform. Monitor your spending through the Brex dashboard regularly. Adjust your budgets as needed to ensure optimal spend management. Review transaction details to keep track of your ad and inventory expenses. That's the complete setup process for your Brex card for ads and inventory spend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.